Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Hogwarts legacy lag. It says if you want to fix this problem, click here and type task manager. Go to startup, make sure to disable all the applications that you don't need, applications that you don't want to start when you start up your PC, like Spotify and Steam, and that's it. Just close all the applications that you don't need here, and then go to Windows Updates. Now click check for updates and install all the updates that you can find here. Then go to graphics settings, enable this option. Now all you have to do is just to start your PC, and after starting your PC, let's move to the next method. To the next step, type here background apps, and now just turn off the first option here to turn off all those applications, and then close this one and go to Xbox. Type here Xbox, just type here game mode settings, turn on this option and go to Xbox game bar, turn it off, and then right click on your desktop and now click use my preference, move it to performance and click apply, and then just close it. And after that, the last thing you have to do, just type here task manager, and maybe we'll find it like that. If you find it like that, just click more details and then click memory, and that's it. Then just close all the applications that you don't need here, application that takes your memory like Google Chrome. Right click in task, right click in task, and that's it. Then your problem must be fixed. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.